everyone, my name is Mira. Today I'm gonna read the story is Big Bad Bat. Page 1. Bob did not see the big bad bat. Bob did not put the rat in the bag. Page 2. Pam did see the big bad bat. She got a toy rat. Page 3. Bob and Pam put the toy rat in a bag. Page 4. Bob got the toy rat. He put it in a big bin. Page 5. Will the big bad bat see the toy rat? Will the big bad bat get the toy rat? Page 6. The big bad bat got on top of the bin. The big bad bat got the rat. Page 7. Bob and Pam did not see the bat get the rat. Thank you for listening.